to another episode of the R.A.D Skate Park Check-In. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today, we arrived at the Hockey Rink Skate Park, Jersey City, here in New Jersey, and this is episode 4. Before I go in, I just want to say, please take the time to sub to the channel if you have not. If you guys are interested in traveling around, finding skate parks, we got you covered. I think this is one of the first skate parks here in Jersey City before they built Berry Lane, which was actually our last episode, Super Rad Park. And so check that video out. It looks pretty fun. It's more like a DIY skate park. It's not your typical concrete or prefab. There's a lot of miscellaneous stuff in here as far as like, why am I telling you now? Let's go inside and actually show you what's up here at the Hockey Rink Skate Park here in New Jersey. Come on in, let's go in. Start on one end of the rink, and you know what a rink looks like. It's a rink. Nice size quarter pipe, perfect 2-inch coping. Hit it like a quarter, skate your transition, or take off up top and bring yourself into the park. Slappy curb right here. A perfect size flat bar, nice and round, and it's bolted right down into the ground. A rinky-dink box. It looks like you can move that barrier, you know? You can move the barrier around. Check out this bench right here. Bench, leg. What's the difference? You may ask yourself, what is the difference?
And you may ask yourself, how did I get here?
Yeah, talking heads, baby. Fun box. All right, let's talk about this.
Oof.
You know?
Seen some better days.
It's seen some better days. Another slappy curb, another movable box. Here's like a skate park feature, a prefab hubba with the fly out, built-in handrail, and I believe there's a forestep. And then what's super rad about this feature, it's like metal. It's not like that wood or skate light stuff. Like, this is metal. So we're grinding it. Right next to it, ledge bench. It's a 7. Long fun box, manual pad, metal ledge. So, you know, you gotta wax it up from time to time. Built-in sections. We got another flat bar, built-in rail. It's I want to say squared off, but it's more like rectangled off. If you guys know shapes, I don't know. You know, you learn them in school. Another perfect manual pad, ledge, fun box, almost slappy-ish and movable.
This reminds me of the upstate park that we went to in Ossining.
Ossining, or was that another park?
It was Ossining. Okay. But what was it called? I can't remember the name of it. Gregory C. Jackson.
Wow.
That's what it was.
Got a good memory. Another bench, guys. Concrete. I'm looking at this ledge, and we didn't mention it on the last one, but it's stacked on concrete blocks. This is 2 stacked. That one's 3 stacked. Pole jam. What more do I have to say? You made fun of me in Montauk for not hitting the pole jam. I don't think I've ever done a pole jam. I've done a like rainbow rail, but I don't know if I've ever pole jammed. We'll see who's gonna be laughing. Guys, we are on the other side of the rink, and this side has a bank. I like that. One side has a quarter, the other side has a bank. Both equally hittable and both takeoff zones. So guys, that's pretty much the Hockey Rink Skate Park right here in New Jersey, in Jersey City. It's time to stack up clips. Let's get some clips.
Any splits? Ground report?
I actually love this ground. It's like a perfect smooth. It really is nice.
There's a
Smooth.
few twigs and rocks,
That's
but
got nothing to do with the ground, Anthony. That's nature.
it's on the ground.
Yeah, well. The ground is great. Don't
It's a valid concern, is it not?
bring a broom. Go to Home Depot, Lowe's.
Damn.
Quick, me up, man. Like, honestly, you just said it. You're a piece of.
So who's right,
I
huh?
would have had that.
Who's
Though,
right,
but it doesn't
though?
mean the ground's bad. Thank you for watching the Hockey Rink Skate Park right here in Jersey City. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have subscribed and you're looking forward to the next video, please hit the notification bell. We appreciate it. Go check out the website. Cop something, cop a hat, cop a t-shirt, cop a fanny pack. Cop something to support the goals and support our mission. You could find that at www.radboardsport.co. I think we had a great time here today, episode 4. We're just gonna keep hitting up local skate parks in your neighborhood. So give us a comment. Where should we go to next? We say it all the time. The most important thing in the world, don't forget to ride all day.